the late 1950s, we began providing job shops with precision-sawed machine-ready blanks. By the early 1980s, the same customers were demanding secondary operations to be performed on blanks in an effort to consolidate purchasing functions and reduce their supplier bases. Since that time, we have been providing customers across the country with repeat runs of consistently high-quality machined parts delivered to their exact specifications. Certified to ISO 9001 and AS 9100, our quality management, processes, and product quality systems ensure that customers in all industries receive the same consistent quality from the first part to the last. Our customer service reps can usually provide status updates within minutes because we are in constant touch with your job through our real-time ERP system. Cut the number of vendors by sending us a single PO for material, machining, and processing, including heat treating, plating, and other specialized requirements. We machine customer furnished stock, such as castings and forgings, and we're an aluminum warehouse distributor. All this allows you to concentrate resources on your core competencies, while TCI handles the entire part, turnkey. Shorten your lead times, reduce your inventory, and improve your bottom line with our custom-configured work cells. They move material from process to process, eliminating delays during the handoff between operations and departments. We are agile and flexible enough to create multi-discipline work cells to accommodate regularly repeating contract machining. Order smaller lots of parts with faster and more frequent deliveries without batch and queue because of our lean production machining cells. We've streamlined processes and cut waste, which also shortens your lead time and improves your cash flow. For example, instead of tying up cash and space with a single lot of 100 parts, order 4 lots of 25 parts with just-in-time delivery. Improve your cash flow and reduce space limitations, handling, damaged parts, and shrinkage with our Kanban JIT services. Your parts are produced according to your requirements to better control work in process, production, and inventory flow. We help you limit inventory buildup and reduce the lead time for parts. Reduce your inventory and stockouts while improving productivity with our vendor-managed inventory program. You cut costs by focusing delivery times on actual needs and replenishing parts from finished goods inventory as they are consumed. With a work envelope as large as 30 inches in Z, 77 inches in Y, and 166 inches in X, our Viper VMC bridge gantry mills and large multi-pallet Mazak VMCs make quick work of your large part requirements. Large turned parts, up to a 36-inch swing and as long as 80 inches, are made on our Mori Seiki and Haas CNC turning centers. For smaller parts, most of our vertical machining centers and horizontal machining centers are paired to provide better throughput on repeat requirements. We can also configure our 4 Mori Seiki HMCs to machine different parts on each pallet, or the same part on multiple pallets. In all, 12 pallets with or without tombstones are available. Your engineers can work with our production engineering team to help ensure part designs that preserve functionality while significantly reducing costs. We read virtually all customer-furnished electronic files with our up-to-date CAD systems to manufacture and inspect parts based on solid models. Get cost-efficient low and high-volume repetitive runs of production parts from our HMCs. For example, our Mori Seiki HMC with a 6-carrier pallet pool is among the newest and most advanced available. Since tooling and fixtures are always in place and ready for your next release, we can provide parts on repeat runs almost immediately. Our other HMCs are configured to handle parts that require frequent shipments with dimensions as large as 40 by 120 inches. Whether your production parts are small or large, as long as 14 feet, as wide as 6.5 feet, or weigh up to 8,000 pounds, we can machine them. We handle a wide range of parts and repetitive volumes on smaller VMCs and large bridge mills. Some of our larger VMCs are equipped with an extra pallet and table, allowing virtual single-minute exchange of parts, which increases efficiency and cuts your costs. Our Mori Seiki, Okuma, and Haas CMC turning centers produce parts with up to a 36-inch swing and 80 inches long. Weighing as much as 750 pounds, these parts are turned to tight tolerances and tight concentricity. With complex features, our multidisciplined cells allow simultaneous turning and milling operations, which reduce the wait time between processes. Take advantage of our material availability know-how, competitive pricing, and quick turnaround. For years, we've been an aluminum warehouse distributor for Alcoa, Kaiser, and Hulamin. We source material and stock it in our warehouse to save you time and money. In addition to our aluminum inventory, we regularly supply a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, tool steels, high-temp and nickel-based alloys, alloy steels, and others. We welcome your furnished material, regardless of its configuration: castings, forgings, extrusions, weldments, and others. We qualify parts in our temperature-controlled 2,500 square foot quality assurance room. We have 3 coordinate measuring machines and over 900 inspection tools. When requested, we can supply individual inspection reports for finished machined parts to help minimize your incoming inspection time. Getting a quote is as easy as visiting our website. Go to www.tciprecision.com, click on the RFQ button, fill out the form, and attach your part file. Typically, we'll send an acknowledgement with any questions within a few hours or less. Call us today. TCI Precision Metals. Good parts, on time. Period.